Episode 5. The Bridge of Forgiveness. It was a quiet afternoon when Omar and Sarah arrived at the edge of the old wooden bridge just outside their town. The sun shimmered on the water below, and the trees whispered in the wind. Sarah held the glowing scroll in her hand, its light gently pointing across the bridge. "This is the Friendship Bridge," Sarah said softly. "Do you remember what happened here?" Omar's gaze dropped to the ground. "Yeah, this is where I messed up with Kareem," he admitted. A memory floated back, of a younger Omar shouting angrily, and Kareem walking away with hurt in his eyes, dropping the toy they had been playing with. Sarah gently placed the scroll on the bridge's railing. It glowed and opened, revealing a message. "True strength lies in saying, 'I'm sorry.'" Omar stared at it for a moment. "But what if Kareem's still mad?" he asked. Sarah smiled gently. "Then he's still hurting. But you'll never know until you try." Taking a deep breath, Omar began to walk across the bridge. To his surprise, standing on the other side was Kareem, older now, but holding the same toy from that painful memory. "You found the bridge," Kareem said quietly. "I never should have said what I did," Omar replied. "I was wrong." There was a pause. Then a small smile spread across Kareem's face. "I missed you, man." The two friends embraced. The silence between them was gone. Behind them, the scroll pulsed with light once more, revealing a new clue. "Next, where love is tested, and truth is spoken." As Omar and Sarah walked back across the bridge, the stream below sparkled in the fading sunlight. Forgiveness doesn't erase the past, but it builds the bridge to a better future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ethical Echoes and walk with Omar and Sarah as they journey deeper into the heart of wisdom.